This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening to everybody. Welcome to my online class of SAP MM. This is evening 9 o'clock batch. Today is 16th March. Even though I am saying 9 o'clock, every day I am in a irregular fellow. I am starting at around 9:15, 9:30 only. My sincere apologies to everybody. Now let us start. In the last class, we were talking about customer master. 2 minutes quick recall before going to jump into the today's topic called sales order. There is a leftover residual part in the customer master record also that we are going to do it. Start. Who is customer? To whom our company is going to sell our final product called car. Naturally, that guy is going to be called customer. Do you think that if you look at the Maruti car, directly that fellow is going to sell individual persons? No. Normally, he will put one showroom, company's showroom. Through that showroom, public will go and buy. Our company will identify a dealer because the company cannot come to the throughout India. They cannot set up the what is it called buildings and other things showrooms. They cannot have their own showrooms. So through dealer network also then. So in our story, customer means is a dealer to whom we are going to sell. That guy is going to sell to their individual persons. So customer is a person or a company to whom we are going to sell our product. Then customers are two types: cash customers, credit customers. Same way based on the supplies, regular customer, fixed customers, one time. Yesterday we had a detailed discussion. Then what is meant by customer master? Customer master is a complete information regarding the customer. In SAP, we are going to enter one record. In general, that is going to be called customer master record. Then what MM consultant is going to MM consultant will never come to the picture because for the past 3 days we are talking about the SD. MM consultant job is not that one. Then who is going to do this one? Surprisingly, SD consultant also not going to do in the customer master background settings and design. Just like vendor master card time also, MM guys are not going to come. Like that here also, SD guys are also not going to come. Both the MM side and SD side, vendor and customers, design part is going to be done by FICO consultant. Yesterday we acted like a FICO consultant. We created our Ford customer account group one thing. Then we created one number range for that one. Then we linked that number range to this. Actually, one second. My apology. Right. Here, just by creating this one, can we create the customer master main? No. But vendor master card, this is enough for creation of the vendor master card. Okay. What is another things which we require? We were talking about partner functions. Yesterday, we had a talk. What is meant by sold to party? What is meant by ship to party? What is meant by bill to party? What is meant by payer? All are going to be called customers, but all are not going to be called completely customers. Everybody is going to do only one part of their role. So one guy is going to order, one guy is going to receive, one guy company will send the bill, another guy will pay. Understand, sir? You know, lawyer, he is a legal guy. Whenever we have any dispute, we cannot go to the directly court and you don't know what is the law. You are going to hire that guy on behalf of you. One prosecutor will come and you are going to hire that guy and he is going to act your role. Like that, different people, these are all called customer roles, and people are used to use called functions. Partner functions, all are partners, but they are all not going to be the full partner. If all roles are going to be done by a single guy, that guy is called customer. So these are all partner functions. In the yesterday class, there are 5 steps are there. First, we checked who are the partner functions in SAP standard. We checked whether it is there or not. Then we link to that our customer account group. Then we link to the one partner determination procedure we defined. In that one, we said all partners must be available, but one partner is only always constant. Every time this guy is only order, rest of the things time to time it is going to change. Then this is linked to this one. These are the 5 steps we cross-checked in the yesterday's class. So defining the functional partner functions, whether it is standard partner functions are there or not, linking to our customer account group, defining the partner determination procedure. In this one, who are the roles and who are compulsory and who act, this one we have done. This and this we linked. Now, is it enough to create the customer master card mean? No. Still, it is having some extra settings are going to be there. Frankly speaking, some settings are very difficult to understand for guys. Difficult in the sense we don't know much about this one. Define common distribution channel, define common division, define transportation zone. Other 3 more settings, unless you do it, customer master record you cannot create. So being a SD guys, these 3 steps also we have to fulfill for yesterday's balance part to complete it. Then only customer master card can able to create. Understood, sir? That is the thing. Now let us go and try to talk about this one. Log into the SAP. That residual part of the steps that we are going to do it. Proceed inside the SAP. Then what he is saying, define common distribution channel. Distribution channel means method of selling or reaching our product to the customer is called distribution channel. Some people through exhibitions they are going to sell. Some people through dealers they are going to sell. Some people directly set up a company's own showrooms they are going to sell. Some people through televisions they are going to sell. Some people through Amazon type internet they are going to sell. Some people adopt all these are some of these one methods. So those are all called distribution channel. Then what is this step? Define common distribution channel means what? Let us go to this path. Actually, there is a reference distribution channel for pricing purpose, customer purpose. In SD side, people are going to create. We don't have that much time. We don't know what purpose they are going to create. Already created a distribution channel only. We are going to say that is for the customers. For that is for pricing also we are going to do. Let us go this path and let us not create anything. Same thing we are going to declare. What I am saying is go to the SAP, go to the SPRO backend as a SD consultant, go to this path called SD master data define common distribution channel, jump into the IMG, then from there SD directly module by name SD. In this one the master data, then here there are 3 steps are there. Define common distribution channel. Click here. System says there are so many distribution channels are there. Let me click here. Where is my distribution channel and my this one? Here SAP. Ours is Ford sales organization and distribution channel DF is there, distribution channel Ford. Already this entry is there, but it is showing some distribution channel 01 because both are copied from the standard distribution channel. That's why distribution channel for pricing, distribution for channel customer master purpose. It is giving some 01 is the standard one. No, 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 no. I don't want 01 here. I don't want 01 here. I want you can create one more distribution channel, or I'm going to say same distribution channel for this one, DF only. This is the distribution channel earlier we created. Now I am saying that that is only for my pricing, that is only for my customer mastercard creation also. This is called common distribution channel creation. Just please follow me. Actually, this is not our module. Don't break your head why this is going to be done like that. Nothing to worry. Click save. Okay, right, do this one. Unless you do all this one, unfortunately, you cannot create the customer mastery card. Save it in your project by name Ford. Go to the SAP down, and somewhere here Ford is there, and save it with this text. Then system is going to save this step. In the same fashion, we are going to do it one more step here. Common divisions also. Division is going to be created by consultant, but this step is going to be done by SD consultant. By looking at this path itself, we can understand we are not permitted as a consultant in this path. So they will take division. Already we created division also. Division for Ford we created. That division only we are going to enter. We don't create any other division. So let us go to the same path here. So go to the same path, click back button. System is going to show you the in the path only. Now click the second step called define divisions also, common division also. Click this button. System is going to take me to the place. Again here also there are some columns are there, that is called sales organization and division columns are there. SAP in this entry, where is my sales organization of Ford sales organization, and where is my division for Ford? We created DF word. It is going to be now that the entry will show same story. It is giving somebody's. I will say no DF only, and our division for this one. Like that, we are going to set our division for pricing purpose and other thing. It's going to be click save. Why we have to create? I did not correct it properly. See, I entered DF. DF. Okay. Click save one more time. Yes. So this is our entry. Click back. One more thing that we have to do, that is a variety thing that is called transportation zone. Transportation zone is reaching to the customer place, dealer place from our factory, because we are the people. Once the dealer asking for the material, once he is not material product, once the dealer is raising a purchase order and asking for the product, then our company is going to see shortest path to reach him. That is called transportation zone. So here for country, it is going to be linked. One transportation zone name, please create it. I don't know what is this exactly SD guys are going to do, but go to this path and reach and try to create basic functions, route determination, variety type of thing. I have no other option. Let us go SD basic functions. In this one, routes, go, routes, and under route determination, here transportation zone. This is one of the field when we are creating the customer master, compulsorily we have to enter. So these are all the prerequisites. Unless you do, sorry, system is not going to allow you to create the customer mastery card. So click here, define transportation zone. Then system is going to display, and Srinivas, what is your transportation zone? Don't copy anything. Just click new entries. Click new entries button and create your own transportation zone also. That shortest path to reach your place, your customer place. New entries, country is India, and transportation zone name. Ours is Ford Transportation Zone, FTG, like that. Ford Transport Zone, Transport Zone. We are going to press enter. System is ready to do. Save it. These are the settings. Unless you do, sorry, system is not going to allow you to create the customer master. Then Srinivas, shall we do the customer master? No, 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 no. We do customer master later. Time being, we have done background settings of the SD side, customer master card creation purpose, okay, number range, and customer account group and assignment, and partner functions, so other common divisions, so common distribution channels, so transportation zones we created. Now today, one new topic we are going to talk, that I am closing this one, sales order. What is a sales order? Let me close this as SD, sorry, SAP, because anyway it is going to lock when we are discussing. Keep it like that. Just give me 1 minute time. Is there any small notes regarding the or diagram is there? I will try to check it. Give me 1 minute time. Any template format is there? We'll try to check it. And special procurement. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. No, sales order. Okay, let us go. If it is not there, no problem. I have one. Yeah, just give me 1 minute time. Picture talks more words. Very good. That's why. To get to clarity. What is a sales order? Give me 1 minute time. Come on, let us start. First of all, what is a sales order? Let me explain here. People are going to have a impression that sales order is a document. It is exactly opposite of purchase order. That is wrong. Okay. So what is purchase order? It is an official communication, and it is going to be initiating by the purchase department and to the outsider, to the vendor, and we are going to take a printout of this one on the company's letterhead, There is a release procedures, electronic signatures will be there, and officially this is going to be sent to this one. And this is the legal document. And if I do not accept the material after sending the purchase order, vendor can go to the court also. Such a powerful document it is. Okay, but what is a sales order? Actually, sales order is a document. First, customer, dealer, our sales office people who are reporting to the regional office at Hyderabad or something, these people are reporting and they are covering a particular district or a particular town, and they are identifying in their district different dealers. And in this company's office, some sales guys are going to work. These people's job is to identify the customer, potential customer who can invest to have in a showroom and who can buy our cars. And every 15 days, these people will come and get the orders from this one. Sir, give me order for cars. Then once they give officially in writing this official order called purchase order from these guys. See, purchase order is creating who want the material. Here we want the material, we will create a purchase order. And here this guy want the material. So this dealer is going to send on his company's letterhead one official order PO. Such official order PO, our salespeople are going to collect, and this information they are going to transform and retyping that one in the SAP. So office, every employee will have an SAP. Then they are going to open one T code and they will try to create a sales order. Sales order is a document. Sales office people are going to initiate, and it is going to be reached to the factory via their sales manager or sales regional office. So what they want, how much they want, who they want, their customer, dealer Akshay or somebody, how many products they want, on what date they want, like that they are going to mention. This document will be sent to the regional office. Regional office guy is going to just like an approver. He is going to send to the factory people. So factory people will take this one and they are going to check finished product cars are how many on the storeroom. They are going to cross check, and they are going to arrange a transport that will come to these guys and they are going to deliver. Next time when the another every 15 days our salesperson will come and our deliveries inquiry they are going to check, and sir, earlier order we delivered, and what about the payment? They are going to do two options. One is every time when they go taking the order and previous orders fulfillment, price follow up, that is called payment process follow up also they are going to do. So this is the sales group people. Now what is a sales order? Sales order is a document internally within our company code initiated by the sales department people via sales organization. And sales organization, this regional office, it will go to the plant. It is not equivalent to the purchase department. It is not a legal document. Within our company, it is moving internally. It is exactly like PR. See, PR is also internal document. Whenever the any department want, they are going to initiate and they are going to send to the purchase department. Purchase department is the department receiving from various departments PRs. It is only internal document. Since purchase requisition is created by the factory people and sending to the purchase department, in case the people are not going to arrange any this one, do you think that the plant people will go and go to the court? It is not a legal document within the our company. One department to another department it is going to move. It is in a simple internal document. So PO is an official document. PR is an internal document. PO is an outgoing document. PR is a not outgoing document. Generally, PR is not printable also. Same fashion, PR is internal document. Sales order is also internal document. No comparison of sales order and purchase order. Understood, sir? Right. Now, what is a sales order? Sales order, theoretically. Sales order is a document. It is an internal document. It is a, within our company. It will be initiated by the sales group. That means just like a purchase group who belongs to that sales office. He is the guy who is going to initiate this document. and it will reach to the production people, that means factory people, via sales in charges, and it is equivalent to PR in story. Because it is a document, naturally document to document type, number ranges, these are all going to be there. Particularly this document talks about who is the customer, what material, not material, what product they want, how much quantity they want, and what is the price they agreed. That price and everything will come into the picture. Now, what is a sales order MSD consultant is going to do? Just like a PR, he will go to the place first, number ranges he is going to create. He will go to the place. So not only guys, SD guys are also going to do the same. Number range creation, document to original document copying, that we are going to do. Then assignment of that number range and creation of this one also they are going to do. If you are doing, it is enough, but that is not enough. There are other settings also we are going to do, that we are going to come to note down. So let us go and try to create sales order purpose number ranges. Okay, let us go to the SAP, jump into the SAP. Did I right? Log into the SAP, enter your credentials, enter your credential, proceed inside the SAP as a SD guide, and jump into the SPRO as an SD guide. Click IMG button as a SD guide, and here we are going to choose SD module sales. Go to the SAP, module name is SD, and in this one there is a subfolder by name sales. In this sales, again sales documents are going to be there. Here there is a sales document header is there. Here number ranges, first create the number ranges for this one. So what we are doing, so sales header data, sales document, sales header data, define number ranges for sales document. Let us go define number ranges for sales document. This we are going to call a path. Click this define number ranges for sales document. Then system is going to say same story. How guys are going to do, SD guys are also going to do. Click pencil mark interval button. System already used by your seniors, created by seniors, grabbed by our seniors number ranges, it is going to show you. I don't want that one. I will click free intervals button. System says Srinivas, these are the free intervals. One of the interval I am going to choose it. I am going to give one group name. Ours is Ford. This is Ford, and this is a sales organization. FS is my document small group number, and ask the SAP. I am selecting this group number, and please insert this one in the already occupied number as my number. So press enter. System is going to insert in case there is no FS earlier. If I'm going to see where is that number range, so FS is here, but why I am coming here, I don't want to choose this number. I will ask this much number range is not enough for me, not required for me. So I am going to choose only 99, leave some room to the others, such that anyway we are not going to create those many sales order. Why should we grab the entire number range? That is the thing. Now everything is set. As a SD consultant, we will go and create number range. Same story. Number range creation time, customizing request prompt will not come. Then it has to be transported manually by clicking in the initial screen. This is going to be done. So this is the way sales order creation purpose number range creation we are creating first. This we are going to save it. So first step is sales order. To do this one, number range creation for the sales document we created, that is not sufficient. Let us go to the document type. Path is almost the same. Sales document header, define sales document. So click back. What is going on? It's dead. We don't know. Useless server. Array, what happened here? Why again every time it's blocked? Chalo, let us go to another one. Useless system. Come on, let us go again. I don't know. In my life, daily 10, I don't know, 100 times I'm going to enter the passcodes. Useless missions. My life is wasted only for typing this username and passcodes only and waiting in the Maro, in the waiting in the traffic. About the life is gone. Come on, let us go to the again SPRO, jump into the IMG, then document type we are going to create now. So what is the document type? Just like a NBPO, like that. Here OR is the standard document for a sales order, but we don't touch it. We will copy it. We are going to make use it, the copied version. So go to the SAP, go to the SD module. This is our SD module. From there, we are going to the sales folder. In this sales folder, sales document folder, here sales document header folder, here sales document types are there. Then system is going to say, Srinivas, there are so many document types are there. We don't care that document type. We will ask the SAP, standard sales order document type is OR. OR is a standard sales order document type. We don't touch the original. We will select that one and we are going to copy. System says sales order properties it is showing. With what name you want to copy? I will say FOR. I will say FOR. FOR mean OR is this one. I am going to say Ford sales order. Ford sales order. I don't want to forget OR is the original. So FOR is the mine. Just first enter. Now system as it is going to copy all the properties. SAP says at present there is no FOR. Would you like to create it? I will say yes. Press enter one more time. It is going to create this one. Now FOR, OR is one and the same replicas, but this is my document. But will that be sufficient? No. Just now, few minutes back, we created a number range called Ford Sales FS or something that we are going to link it. How to link that one? Come on, just to select the same document type, select the same document which is copied version of the OR, then that is going to be taking, then click details button. Then system says, Srinivas, this is the document properties. Here, number range interval internal assignment, number range interval external. The linking method of the design, it is going to be differs. And this, I am removing everything. Then here, number range internal, that is a Ford sales, like that we created just a few minutes back. Now click save. Now onwards, anybody is going to create a document with this document type FOR, system is going to assign internal number range by choosing the FS document. Again, dying. What is it is doing? Every time it is going to cry. What it is searching also, we don't know. System is very slow, server. Kara, 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 kara. I cannot come out while saving. Array yaar. God only saves us. Okay, let us go to our project 26 now. ONL 26. Useless thing. Okay, press enter. I don't know what is doing this. All its internal dependent entries, so linkages, everything it is copying. Anyway, in the meantime, ours is 26. I created a bitmap file. Why it is going to open another version? Useless machine. It is created. It should create this. Okay. Every time open with what? Right. Did you remember for Ford we created this one? Just keep it with you. What happened? Now number ranges has been created. This is called creation of the sales order by copying the standard sales order and assigning the number range. Will this be sufficient for our sales order creation purpose? No. So what we have done, we created one number range, we copied the document type, we linked that number range and the document type. Cool, everything is okay. But will this be sufficient? No. There are this sales area to be linked. Srinivas, what is this one? Assign sales area to the sales document type. So what is that meaning? Just now you created a document type. Okay, this is to be linked. This document type OR has to be linked to so many things. Let us do. Bit confusion will be there. Don't worry. Try to create. So combine sales organization, combine distribution channel, combine division, and assign sales order document type to the permitted sales areas. Highly confusing words are going to be there. Kindly and blindly, whatever the steps I'm showing, please try to do it. So sales area linking, what is that meaning? We'll tell it. Just we created a sales document type that is not sufficient. FOR you created, good, but how to link that one? Let us go and let us do this one. So these are the steps. Bit confusing will be there, but let us try to create that one. So here, sales side, SD, sales organization. So this is the path, sir. SPROSD header data. Jump into the system, save this one, click back. Now this one, last one. You created document type, you created number range and assign. Now assign this sales area to this sales document type. Actually, you know what is a sales area. What is a sales area? This gray color is called sales area. Actually, we have to link that newly created FOR, Ford Sales Order document type. This is to be linked to my sales area. This we have to do it. But SAP do not allow to directly link your newly created document type FOR to my sales area. Understood, sir? So what to do? There is a three different steps are going to be there. First, you don't understand. Slowly, you are going to understand one picture. Here itself, I am disturbing this picture. Let us go. So here, click assign sales area to the sales document type. Once you click it, system is going to show you four sub steps that you are going to do it. So first sub step is combine sales organization. Here, instead of creating one more sales organization, please use the same sales organization as a reference sales organization. Srinivas, what is reference sales organization? You are going to get a clarity. First, select a reference sales organization and create it. So here go and say combined sales organization. Link my sales organization. SAP will show sales organization and reference sales organization. Already I created one sales organization called FSO. Okay. Now I am going to create instead of another thing, I will say my same FSO, I am going to call it as my reference sales organization also. Okay. My sales organization, my reference sales organization is one at the same. Okay. Right. Cool. See my sales organization. FSO. What is the meaning, Srinivas? Here, see this blue color sales organization. Same blue color. I'm going to take it. This is sorry. This is the sales organization. So here, one sales organization I am creating. This I am going to call it as sorry. So this is my sales organization. This is reference sales organization. Ref sales organization. Okay. This is my reference. Instead of actually SAP expects, please create one more sales organization for reference sales. Instead of that one, I will say FSO only. This is my sales organization. This one. How to say like that? So here, right. Let us jump into the SAP. The meaning here is FSO. FSO is one and the same. Click here. Instead of creating one more sales, ఇది మళ్ళా చచ్చింది. Useless mission. Click FS. So set. This is dead slow. I don't know what happened. How much time it is going to take into the transport request? Now let us go and go to the another step that is called combined distribution channel. It is not going. It is crying. I don't know why. Chalo. Another two more steps, sir. I'm going to leave you. These are all important steps to create the sales order, sir. Somehow system is a dumb, dirty system. I don't know what it is searching. Chalo. And every time why it is going to lock it. What is happening here? Okay. Again, login. Go. Proceed inside. SPRO. IMG button. MSD. Sales. Sales documents. Sales document header. Assign sales area to this one. First sales organization. Locked by myself. Still it is crying. I don't know why and what. Karo. Cut karo. Open another system. अरे open यार. SM12. Unlocking purpose. Today something happened. See, it is not opening at all. I don't. Sorry, sir. There is a system trouble. I think I don't know why it is been so trouble. I don't know. Okay, we'll stop it here. And it's not going inside at all. I don't know. 2 sessions we are doing. I don't know what happened. This is also going on. This is also going. There is this little audio problem now. What I'm talking, I don't know whether you reach it or not. Still, there is a problem here, net problem or whatever the problem. It is not giving any response, and it is go on trying. I don't know, and it is not allowing me. Let me try. Okay, leave it like that. Tomorrow we will continue. And we will gone. Try to Click this button. Oh, very good. Combined sales organization. And we click here. Ours is 4 and it is that is the problem. Now say it is calling. Now save it in our project. So what we have done is we created a sales organization earlier. Now we are declaring the reference sales organization is also the same. Okay. Now what happened to this one? Okay, it is saved. Now click back button. We'll finish it this one, sir. Distribution channel, combined distribution channel. We don't do it, sir. Again, same. Instead of distribution channel creation, we are going to declare same distribution channel earlier we created. That itself is a reference distribution channel. We are going to do it. So here, click position. What is our sales organization? What is our distribution channel? DF. Then what is our reference distribution channel? That also DF. We are going to declare. Okay, that is good. That means what we are doing already here, there is a distribution channel is there. Now again, I will create, instead of creating one more distribution channel, I will say this itself is a distribution channel. So I will declare DF. DF is a distribution channel. Okay. Instead of creating one more, same DF I am declaring. That means same DF here, same FSO. Okay. This is a FSO also we did. Like that we are declaring. Okay. Let us go. Click save. Another 1 minute, sir. Save it in our project. Why we are doing? Otherwise, we cannot create the sales order. This is a damn position. It is going to be, again, it is doing no problem. Thank you. Let us go back. Now, division also we are going to do. Combined division. Here also the same procedure. We will go to the place and already created division only. We are going to declare as our reference division also. Click combined division. Here it says position. Enter FSO and division also DF. Fourth division. So here some division is showing that reference division. We are declaring now same our division earlier on only. I'm declaring that as a reference division. Press enter. So it says somebody's P1. Let's enter that one on. Now save. So let us save this one. Last but one small step. So what we are doing, we are creating a division also. We are creating one division. We are not creating, we are just declaring same thing. So we are creating a division by declaring same division name only. This is the division we are creating. Okay. Here I am declaring that as a same DF. This is my division, reference division. This is a reference division. This is a reference distribution channel. This is a reference sales organization. Like that, we created, not creating sales organization and reference sales organization same, distribution channel and reference distribution same, division and distribution reference division same. Like that we are doing. Click save. But last step is we are going to link to the sales area. Click this button. Now click here. Assign sales order type to the permitted sales area. You know, sales area mean sales organization, distribution channel, and division. In general, we are going to call sales area. So this is also called one more sales area. Okay, this is going to be, this is called this one. Let us go that we are going to declare here. Still it is going on, or what is going on, sir? Here we are going to click new entries. Actually, first we will check up. Nothing is there. These are all deactive mode. Okay, right? Click sales area. अरे जाओ यार अंदर. Last step, come on, let us do. Now click new entries. Yeah, try to see. Now reference sales organization also FSO, DF, DF, then FOR, press enter. So what we have done, instead of directly linking, this is my sales area, FSO, FD, FSO, DF, DF. This we are linking to my FOR. What is FOR? Ford sales order. Okay, but this is already linked here because you declared this in the table. Okay, this is already linked, and this is also you declared this one, and this is also you just declared in the last 3 steps. This is only you have done. So instead of linking this FOR directly to this sales area, I don't know why this fellow has done method, but this is the method we are going. Now this is the document type we are going to use it, and we are starting. These are all big process. So that's all for today, and tomorrow we will talk about the next continuation topic. So this is the method we are adopting. This is the sales order. We'll talk about tomorrow the last rule. I think now this is tomorrow we'll discuss. Then we'll go to the what is the third party. We'll try to see. Can you spend another 5 minutes? We'll try to do this too also, such that tomorrow or we are going to talk about directly what is third party, how guys are going to sit another. Can any one of you spend? Will you spend, sir? All of you another 5 minutes? Will you spend, sir? Nobody is responding. Sleeping. Okay, please for 2 minutes. Okay, very difficult to sit at 10 o'clock in the night. Kindly bear with me. right? So there is another two more steps that you have to do without hesitation. You have to do no shortcut. That is called, when we are creating a sales order, pricing procedure also to be linked, but that pricing procedure where only standards we are going to take it. Directly go to the SAP and save it here, save it here, save it. Then go pricing procedure, then go back, completely go back, pricing, sales side, sales, in this one, SD, basic functions pricing, SD, I'm closing this one, SD, basic functions, pricing, price control, pricing control, define and assign pricing procedure, define and assign pricing procedure. Here again, double click define pricing procedure determination step. Define determination of pricing determination procedure. This one. Then system will show some standard entries, sir. Okay. But we will click new entries button. And ask the SAP. Our sales organization is Ford sales organization. Our channel of Ford distribution channel. Our division is also DF, Ford division. And document pricing procedure, all are standards only, take it, sir. Document procedure is standard. Take only standard. A, cup means customer pricing procedure also standard, everything standard. Standard. One. Then what is that standard pricing procedure? There is one standard pricing procedure RVAA01. RVAA01. Go to the SAP. RVAA01. Then the condition type PR00. These are all standards, sir. PR00. PR00. Please set this entry. SAP says already this is existing. Well and good. Click check. Click check. Click position. Enter Ford sales organization, division of the Ford, distribution channel of the Ford, pricing procedure 1, standard document pricing procedure. Come on. We cannot identify this, very difficult. Press enter. With this combination, entry is there because it is saying that already this entry is there. Press enter. See, it is showing something, but it is showing somebody's pricing procedure, France pricing procedure, RVAA01. Okay. Then PR. This is important. Save it. Last step. You know, these are all things, even though you do not know, please kindly, last step, last but one step. There is a Defined rule by sales area. These are all prerequisites, sir. Otherwise, we cannot do it. So click this one. For our project, compulsory, we have to do it. Did I save it, sir? I got one doubt. Price determination procedure. I entered DFO, FSO, F, DFO, DFO. Yeah, RVAA 01. I selected. Come on, go. Why I am carefully doing? Because this is not our module. If I'm trying to do the SD, sales, I mean third party, sometimes it bumps. I don't want that bump to become. So this is one more thing. Go to the enterprise structure assignment. Go to the enterprise structure assignment. Small pending from the SD versus PP guys are going to be there. Enterprise structure assignment. SD business area. SD business area. Sales and distribution. We defined everything earlier, but business area account assignment. There are two steps are there. One, define rule by sales area. Kindly define rule by sales area. This is the path. You have to do it. Click this button. Then system says, Srinivas, what to do? Just check that one. Ours is entry is already there. Ford sales organization, distribution channel of Ford, division of Ford. At present, this entry is having rule 1. Good. If rule 1 is not there, set rule 1. That's all. It is already there. Go to the next one. Last. Click save. Go back. It is already saved. Last one. Assign sales area to plant and division. Business area to plant and division. Here new entries for our pausers, or we will click position. No. It is better to go plants. New entries. Our factories Ford plant 1, Ford plant 2, division is DF, Ford division, division is DF, Ford division, link it to business area, standard 1, 0001 only, standard 1, 0001 only. Frankly speaking, even I don't know why we are doing all, but without doing, you cannot go further in SD side. Third party concept, we don't do it. I know little bit highly confusion will be there. Can I tell you one thing, sir? Suddenly one guy is going to show you one system. Please create a PO means can we create? In that one, we should have an organization structure. We should have a metal master card. We should have a purchase order. We should have an what is called info record, or at least this one. Then how do we can able to create the PO? Directly, if anybody is going to give the system, can we create the PO means no. Like that, can we do the sales means no, unless you do all this one. Okay, sir, that's all. So whatever we have done, some steps are very vague situation. Some are not going to be anything. We don't know what we are doing also, but keep it like this. Now tomorrow we'll talk about what is the third party. In the third party MM and SD integration, what are this one and how the third party works, that we are going to talk very in detailed manner. We are going to do it. Thank you very much for your time. Really, I'm appreciating for your patience, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye to all. Signing off. Bye to all, sir. Good night.